Hey guys, welcome back. Joey Vegas D-Tech. Man, I couldn't wait to get this information out to you, man. I came home from work today and I opened up my YouTube comments, and Weird Guy at Park, he gave me some information, man, some intel. Unbelievable, man. I'm just blown away at this, guys. We have, thanks to Weird Guy at Park, some true intel, video, audio, pictures of the new multi. I am fairly confident this is exactly what it's going to be. Man, the information here that I'm receiving said that this thing was already launched back in 2018. It was introduced in 2018. Nobody caught wind of it. Nope, everybody missed it. All the searching that I did on the internet came up empty. Nothing. I can't believe nothing came up out of this, except Weird Guy at Park shows me this clipping of Detectable where Delek is actually talking about the multi-freak. She picks it up, she shows it around, she discusses it, and she puts it right back. But my God, dude, this is the machine. So take a look at it, man. I'm going to give you the clip, take a look at it, and then we're going to come back and we're going to discuss it right afterwards, okay? So stay tuned.
We save the best for the last. This baby here, guys, looks like the Simplex, but actually it doesn't even have a name right now. And why is that? Our customers around the world have been asking our company to develop a simultaneous frequency detector from us. Now, do we believe simultaneous frequency is the best solution? And the answer is, it really depends on the conditions and your needs, guys. Single frequency detectors and simultaneous frequency detectors, they all have their own advantages. But since people have been asking us to develop one, we started working on it. But we want to take a different approach this time. So we want to build this detector, its features and its settings, based on your needs, what you want to see in it. So we are inviting everybody to come and join us at one of our Q&A sessions, which the first one will be held today between 3 and 5 p.m. at our marquee, and the second one will be held between 11 and 1 tomorrow. Please come. Ask us any questions you want about our company, about our products, and then fill out a form giving us suggestions for the features and the settings you want to see in this multi-frequency detector, and also suggest a name for it. And once it's all done, the features, the unique features suggested by people and that are used in the detector, these guys will be honored on our website and on social media. And the person who comes up with the coolest name for our future simultaneous frequency detector will win a free one. We want to make this detector not custom made, but customer made. I don't want to take up more of your time, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making this a great event for us. And I also would like to thank Mark, the organizer of this beautiful event. And my special thanks go to Pete from Leisure Promotions, our UK distributor, who's been a great support and help. I know you're anxious to get out there and hunt. Happy hunting.
So what'd you guys think about that? You got it, man. You got it full in the flesh, man. You got the entire video, Delek at Detectable, showing the stuff. I mean, this was introduced at about the same time that the Simplex was introduced. They hand her the Simplex, then they turn around and they hand her what we think is going to be the multi-freak detector. It seems to have, this one here, if you take a look at it, it seems to have the Simplex coil on it, which it's going to have a different coil. It's not going to have that coil, but look at the housing. The housing is exactly the same housing as the Simplex. I don't see that it's in color. I can't tell from here, but you can clearly see the battery underneath the arm. Dude, it's looking like the impact, man. I don't know. This is just wild information, man. Hot off the presses. It was something new that I just got a link. Hey, Weird Guy at Park, thank you so much, man, for sending this to me. I just got so excited when I watched that link. I'm like, wow, I actually can't believe that I'm actually seeing it 5 days before the release. But here it is, man. Hey, look, that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm just getting it out really, really quick. I'll be back later on with another video later, but for right now, I just needed to get this out to you. So enjoy it. Leave me some comments, man, and we'll be back here tonight to talk about some more things. Take it easy.